This is a raw amber. From this, we make a beautiful shiny one. We will first grind off the rough amber bark and then polish it finer and finer until a beautiful amber is finished. Welcome. In our previous film, we showed how to grind raw ambers by hand. Today, we show how to use devices for this. Here we see a raw amber, for example, which we grind off little by little. Here it is a grinding wheel with 80 gradation, and gradually the amber bark is ground off. The tools, machines, and materials used can be found in the description. We want to grind the amber so that the back remains natural. First, we grind off the amber bark on the front. We largely leave the back raw, so that the natural charm is preserved. The bright, milky color is much more valuable than this typical cognac color, because there are much fewer of these ambers. For safety reasons, I recommend using safety glasses and a dust mask during processing, so no splinters get into the eyes or dust into the lungs. We primarily use the 80 grit to shape and grind off the Rauch Iris, and then we will refine it with 240 grit on a diamond wheel. This is what it looks like after we have ground it with 80 grit. And now we are moving on to 240 grit. With this, we achieve that no scratches are visible anymore. This milky color is very popular, mainly in Asian countries. It's also called butterscotch. The amber color is much rarer and thus also more valuable, and it has also become very popular with German customers. The marbling and these shades make this amber particularly valuable and interesting. It is suitable to make a pendant from this amber, due to this elongated shape. We have created a beautiful, smooth surface. The only thing missing is a beautiful shine. We have unscrewed the 240 diamond wheel, and now we are using a cloth polishing wheel, which is quite hard. We also use a grinding past for this, and subsequently we will polish it again with a soft wheel and the finish polish. We also use this finish polish in our workshop and have been achieving very good results with it for years. The details can be found in the description. Here the grinding paste is applied to the grinding wheel, and then the amber is ground with it so that the remaining cracks and unevenness are eliminated. This type of processing, grinding and polishing with a polishing and grinding wheel is suitable only for soft materials, like amber, for example. It is less or not at all suitable for mineral stones. To grind and polish mineral stones, you need diamond wheels, and the stones are ground and polished in a wet state. When grinding amber, one must definitely ensure that it is held very firmly. It can happen that the wheel tears it out of the hand. If you want to experience the grinding and polishing of mineral stones, please subscribe to our channel. We will soon publish a video on this. Now the amber is finished ground. The surface is smooth and without scratches and dents. The only thing still missing is the perfect shine. We achieve the shine with the soft wheel and with the amber polish. This is also suitable for ambers that have become cloudy and dull. And with it, you can give shine again. Here, a generous amount of amber polish is applied to create the shine. In this way, you can also polish up old amber jewelry, which has lost its shine and has become dull, matte, or cloudy. The perfect shine is achieved not only with such a polishing wheel, but also by hand, by applying the polish to a soft cloth and bringing the cloudy areas to shine through repeated rubbing. You can watch our video for this. See the link above or in the description. The amber has already become significantly shinier. It has also gained in value. You can also see the different shades, from very light, medium, and to very dark on the back. We have deliberately left the back raw. These are also features of the authenticity of amber. If such raw areas are visible on amber, the probability is high that they have not been faked. It looks very nice after we have ground and polished it, but that's not quite the end. We are making something special out of it. We have decided to make a pendant out of it. For this, we are looking for suitable hangers. Here we have a few examples. We try out which one fits best. The hangers are made of sterling silver, some are also gold-plated, and so we create our jewelry also in our workshop in Gdansk. You can also inspect the items in our store in Nuremberg. Now it is our task to drill a hole in the amber where the hanger will be attached. For this, we have a trick. We take such a tape and tape off the spot that is to be drilled. This facilitates drilling. The drill does not slip and can be positioned well. For the drilling, we use such a Dremel hand drill and use a diamond attachment for it. The diameter is about 1 millimeter. Instead, you can also use a metal drill of this kind. The tape makes the work easier. The drill does not slip off with it. We remove the tape and clean the drilling spot. We have decided on the gold-plated eyelet as a hanger. We are now adjusting it. We also glue the eyelet firmly with 2-component adhesive. With that, we are done with the work. Here we clearly see how the originally raw amber has become a beautiful and valuable pendant. Here we have the direct before-after comparison again. You can immediately see how a nondescript amber has become a beautiful jewel. We cordially invite you to visit our Amber Museum. The Amber Museum is a rare and fascinating attraction in Nuremberg, especially for amber lovers. For our viewers, admission is free. On this occasion, you can acquire a beautiful souvenir in our attached amber shop. A wide selection of attractive pieces of jewelry from our workshop can also be found in our online shop. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We are happy to produce more interesting films for you.